I'm here to support our young, dynamic, honest candidate, Vinay Selvan. I just want to say one thing, that in a state like Tamil Nadu, where you've had the practice of a AIA DMK, a DMK, it's high time we give opportunity to young, honest, hardworking candidates. And Harbour South is the cream of Tamil Nadu. I have gone from all the various lanes here, and I do realize that there are huge issues when it comes to corruption, when it comes to rowdyism. And I'm so glad that AIADMK BJP has given Selvam-ji a chance to be representing this constituency, not just as a youth and aspirational India, but also when we say Prime Minister Modi stands to fight this corruption, it starts from the ground, and we will fight the corruption to the fullest in the state of Tamil Nadu and in Chennai and Harbour South particularly. So I think Vinod Selvam actually represents what Bharatiya Janata Party stands for. We have a Pradhan Sevak in our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, who fights corruption, who has dedicated his life to nation building. And in this alliance with AIADMK and BJP, we're here to be either his Pradhan Sevaks at the grassroots level, and especially in a state like Tamil Nadu, where we know of the gross corruption and the allegations that have been proven in the past. A lot of your ex-leaders have spent a lot of time in jail. I think the time has come for transparency, accountability, and free and fair leadership to be represented by the youth of this country. He's a 34-year-old. Vinod has studied in London and is a lawyer here. And when we as a society say we want clean, clear, good candidates, it starts by voting for the correct representative. So on the one hand, you may have muscle power, money power, but on the other, we have integrity, honesty, and hard working, which will take us a long way.
Sir, ma'am, in BJP, the young leader is there. Even DMK also has kept the young leader, like Udayanidhi, son of MK Stalin. Even in Congress, a young leader is there, Hasan, son of last MP. But how do you see their sense of the young?
Very good question, because obviously the names that you have given are part of a dynastic culture where only criteria is being somebody's son or daughter. Here you have a 34-year-old who's a lawyer, who has no political lineage, who has worked for the Bharatiya Janata Party for 14 years. And as Vinod Selvam has worked for the Yuva Morcha, he has worked for the constituency of Harbour South. The time has come to give back and to give it hard. The voter is very intelligent. They know who to vote for and why to vote for. You can take money from one party believing that they are going to change your life. But Prime Minister Modi has taught us no freebies, subsidies, SOPs. Work towards education, empowerment and security. And these are the issues of Harbour South. And I'm glad that you finally have the option of an honest candidate. 20 seats for the Bharatiya Janata Party in the AIADMK BJP alliance. But let me please say, what happens in Tamil Nadu will be a resounding effect all across the south, because the time has come to only get accountability and transparency in public life. And if you have humility, hardworking candidates who represent the new India, aspirational India, the youth and the women of society don't want freebies, subsidies, SOPs. Gone are those days. We want education, security, empowerment. And this is the vision plan of Prime Minister Modi. It is only progress, it is only development. Gone are the days of Jat Paat Dharm ki Rajniti. We just met with leaders of the Bora community as well. And people say that, there are certain communities that support certain parties. I think that all communities support the BJP only on the development agenda. And Vinod Selvam stands for transparency, accountability in that order, and will be accountable to the citizens of Harbour South and Chennai for sure.